Hello, welcome to this video. In this video we will try to capture or print screen using Python. So open your idle and then first we need to install Python pyautogui. So open cmd, then type pipe pyautogui, pipe install pyautogui, and then after that succeed, go back to your idle and then click file and click new file, and then now you can import pyautogui, and now you can myscreenshot is equal pyautogui.screenshot and then save that. Open the documents where you want to save, then copy and then go back to your idle and then paste and then backslash the name of the screenshot, the name of the file that you want to save, and then run. Click run and then run module and then click OK and then click save screen capture. Yes, now open the file and then this is find the file name that you have saved, in my case screenshot.png, and this is the result. And now we need to make we can modify this using port time. You can say time.pause 5 seconds, so it will pause .sleep. It will pause for 5 seconds before the program will text. Make sure you open make sure you open the picture that you like to, the screen that you like to screenshot. So now the program is done. Now go back to screenshot, go back to your folder and find screenshot.png. This is my result. You can also modify this using to automatically capture this for how many times. So plus n string n plus png and n is equal n plus 1, and put this while loop 2 and ident this 3 line, and then n put this n equal 0 and then run program. Now it will always capture. I can see in my there's a lot of picture there, screenshot picture. Okay, that's all. I hope you like my video. Okay, one more time, let's see the result. This is the result screenshot until the 76 screenshot76.png. so this is the end. There are 76 frames that captured from the start, from the beginning. Thank you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, or comment.